Want to feel festive on your next outing? Waze has added some fun holiday features to their app, allowing users to drive with Santa. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to drive with Santa on Waze. Now let's get started. First, ensure you've updated your Waze app to the newest version. Then open Waze and tap the search icon to open the menu panel. Near the bottom, select Drive with Santa. From here, you can enable the festive features Waze has to offer. Tap the switch beside each feature you want to enable. The Santa Mood Avatar, Santa's sleigh instead of a car during navigation, and the Santa Voice Guide. Tap Done to save your choices. After that, your Waze app will be feeling super fun and festive. These features are only available until the end of December, so enjoy them while you can. We hope they make your drives more fun, even if you're only going out for essentials. Happy holidays and stay safe, everyone.
Santa here, a.k.a. Kris Kringle, Father Christmas, St. Nick, St. Nicholas, Sinterklaas, Papa Noel, or as the Italians call me, Babbo Natale. Shall we drive?
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.